Hi, my name is Syed, and you're watching my Digital Strategies YouTube channel. Every week, I review either new ICOs or existing tokens. In this week, I am going to review NCash, which is Nucleus Vision. Nucleus Vision is a completely new IoT based Internet of Things technology which is going to change how the retail industry works. So I'm going to review this particular token on four parameters, which is the vision versus reality, about what is their vision and whether they have working product or not. So we will review based on that parameter. The second parameter would be the team. So whether the team is capable to turn their vision into reality or not. And the third parameter we have is the GitHub repository, whether they have a continuous GitHub commits or a repository on the GitHub platform or not, which means whether they are updating and developing their platform consistently or not. So that is what we are going to review, which will indicate they are pretty serious on their product. The fourth parameter is the token price. So at the current market, whether the token price which you should invest in this particular NCash, which is Nucleus Vision, or not. So let's dig into more details, and I will tell you whether you should invest in NCash or not. So let's get started. So now we are here at Nucleus Vision website, as you can see. So it's a very unique concept developed on IoT and then a couple of other advanced technologies like AI and machine learning, right? So basically the concept is, let's say you're running a chain of restaurant or chain of hotels, or a bank, and any of your customer walks in to the hotel, office, bank, or the retail store. Immediately the NCash application, whoever has got downloaded that NCash application, they'll send a push notification to that customer saying that you have won this many NCash, and it will also let the manager of that particular hotel or retail store, they will let them know that what is the history of that particular customer, so they can serve their customer in a more personalized way, and they can also reward based on their purchase history. So it's a very unique concept which is going to change how the retail shopping works, and the bank interaction works with their customers, and also the hotels works with their guests. So let me tell you who all are the major investor in this upcoming IoT based technologies. So one of the main investor is the Tim Draper, and as you click on the product, you will be able to know that what is all about, how this particular product architecture has been designed. So you would know how simple it is to use for both the merchandiser as well as the customers, right? So it is going to change how the retail and hotels or bank interaction works with their customers. You can just check their homepage, which I'll definitely post this website link on the description of this video. So you can just check the detail in a nutshell, like how does Nucleus Vision work. So basically it's a retailer install ion sensors, which includes the AI and machine learning, and then ion sensor identifies the customer, and then they have the orbit, so which is like sends data over secure orbit layer, and then with the help of neuron technology, that's create real-time customer persona. And then at the last, the customer gets recommendation or loyalty offers, etc., etc. So, so the benefit of this technologies are like you don't require an app, no barrier to adoption. So, and also no Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, GPS, etc. required. Works with all phones, whether you are using a smartphone or using the feature phone or the non-smartphone. It works on all the devices, and it provides the anonymous intelligence. So that's a great thing about Nucleus Vision, that it will change definitely how the retail and hospitality and banking industry works to provide end-to-end personalization to their customers, right? So uh, there are a couple of major investors, as I said, like Tim Draper, then couple of government from India also has joined the bandwagon with Nucleus Vision. And if you look at their team profile, that is also very credible. So people from Reliance, people from Vodafone, people from Idea, or the people from Airtel have joined their advisors, a board of advisors, and they will actually uh, advise them that uh, how to refine the product moving forward, right? So that's how all these things are. And if you look at the roadmap link on their website, they let you know that what exactly the current plan is. So in 2018 Q1 they have executed 5 brand houses, 35 brands, 2700 plus stores. Currently they are testing their product. So it's not something like they have a vision, but they don't have a working product. They definitely have a working product at a beta stage, and which they're evolving continuously. So because most of the time in cryptocurrency market, we observe that a lot of companies comes with the innovative ideas, innovative vision, but they are not able to deliver the ground level product, the working product. And when they fail, the investor loses their money. But with Nucleus Vision, they have already working product in their hand at the beta stage, and they are yet to launch in the public. So that's another very good point which Nucleus Vision meet when it comes uh, to have the working product in hand. Then they have the 10 sensor deployed, then one exchange they have got listed, etc., etc. In Q2 this is their plan, Q3, Q4 these are their plans. In 2019 their plan is in the Q1, they're planning to deploy 5,000 ion sensors, and they're going to focus India and Southeast Asia market. Industry, fashion, apparel, fast food, consumer electronics, grocery. So these are the industries they're going to focus on it. And the product cross brand alliance, strategic and data partnership is what they're looking for is 24. And then Q2 these are the projection, Q3 these are the projection, Q4 these are the projection. So they have a detailed roadmap until the end of 2021 Q4. So they're planning to have the ION sensors, which is their unique and proprietary technology. So they're planning to deploy somewhere about 5,79,400 sensors by 2021 quarter 4, and they're going to focus on India, Southeast Asia, and North America. Industry, they're going to focus on these, and product performance alert system and strategic data about 130. They're planning to have the strategic and data partnerships. So that's like a very detailed oriented plan they have. So they definitely meet the criteria of having the strong team member in their company. Like many of their team members comes from a very reputed background, and they have got a strategic partnership with one of the finest retailers and hospitality partners in India. So you can really count on them. And I will share this video in the description of this video, which you can just click on it and watch it. So here's it shows the working demo of Nucleus Vision proprietary technology and quick sneak peek. So by watching this video you will be able to know how their product really works in real time. So that's a really great technology, as I mentioned earlier. Then coming back to our third parameter to review token is the Nucleus Vision GitHub repository. So GitHub repository shows that they are not that active, but yeah, they are committing new code, new development of their source code. So like last source code have been uploaded on 24 days ago, then this one also 24 days ago. So yeah, I mean they have got 6 repositories under their GitHub account. So they're not that active, they're not committing the source code, or they're not developing their system in much frequent manner, and there are no people participation is also not there. So which reflects that they are not that active in GitHub repository, but definitely they are working in the backend to make sure that they actually turn their vision into reality, which is like by 2024 2021 Q4 they are planning to deploy about 6 black ion sensors. So yeah, definitely, like, you can actually count on them on that part. And then coming back to the token pricing, so currently it is about 51 Satoshi, which is in dollar, it is about 0.001968 USD. So their ICO listing price was like just it was just double, like it was like 10 cents, and now it is like very low, even than the listing price. So this is a very good deal that you're getting currently on this Nucleus Vision, and I would rate this NCash Nucleus Vision token 4 out of 5 stars. So if you can really wait until, let's say, 2022 or 2023, so let's say in 4 to 5 years, if you can wait and hold this crypto token, then you are going to get at least 100 to 1000x profit in the Nucleus Vision for sure. Because their vision is a great, they have a working product. They every week they are coming up with new partnerships in India, and also going forward in Southeast Asia and North America. So their team is pretty active. They are tying up with new telecom partners, retail partner, hospitality partners, and bank partner, etc. So so definitely they will be able to meet their vision by 2021, and if that gets delayed by 1 or 2 years, then 2022 or 2023 definitely they will be able to meet their commitment which they have written in their white paper. So definitely I would give them a 4 out of 5 star, and you can go ahead and invest your money in that and wait for 2022 or 2023, and definitely, as I said, like, you will get a very decent amount of return in this token. So thanks for watching me, and please let me know in the comments below how did you like this Nucleus Vision NCash review, and also do subscribe to my channel, because every week I come up with either the new ICO or the existing tokens, whether you should invest in it or not. So I look forward to see you next week. Thank